Here's some women in politics trivia. Subscribe. Who was the first female Prime Minister of India? Is it A. Sonia Gandhi, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Pratibha Patil, or D. Meera Kumar? The correct answer is B. Indira Gandhi. Name the first woman to win a Nobel Peace Prize. Is it A. Rosa Parks, B. Mother Teresa, C. Marie Curie, or D. Eleanor Roosevelt? The correct answer is C. Marie Curie. Who became the first female governor of Alaska? Is it A. Lisa Murkowski, B. Sarah Palin, C. Janice Democrat, or D. Mary Peltola? The correct answer is B. Sarah Palin. Who was the first woman to be elected to the U.S. Congress? Is it A. Jeannette Rankin, B. Eleanor Roosevelt, C. Barbara Jordan, or D. Condoleezza Rice? The correct answer is A. Jeannette Rankin. Name the first female head of the IMF. Is it A. Christine Lagarde, B. Carmen Reinhart, C. Janet Yellen, or D. Angela Merkel? The correct answer is A. Christine Lagarde. Which woman served as the first female mayor of Paris? Is it A. Ségolène Royal, B. Christine Lagarde, C. Martine Aubry, or D. Anne Hidalgo? The correct answer is D. Anne Hidalgo. Which woman was the first Asian American female U.S. Senator? Is it A. Mazie Hirono, B. Lucy Liu, C. Ai Weiwei, or D. Hirono Yamamoto? The correct answer is A. Mazie Hirono. Who was the first woman to join the U.S. Supreme Court? Is it A. Ruth Bader Ginsburg, B. Sonia Sotomayor, C. Sandra Day O'Connor, or D. Elena Kagan? The correct answer is C. Sandra Day O'Connor. Which woman served as Prime Minister of Pakistan twice? Is it A. Benazir Bhutto, B. Fatima Jinnah, C. Nawaz Sharif, or D. Asma Jahangir? The correct answer is A. Benazir Bhutto. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.